In this video, we'll review Scrcpy, covering its performance, responsiveness, stability, and control options across platforms and why it's a top choice for Android screen mirroring. Part 1. Scrcpy, Key Characteristics. Scrcpy is a free, open-source tool that allows you to mirror and control an Android device from a computer. It works by using ADB to stream the screen in real time, enabling interaction through a keyboard and mouse without installing any app on the phone. Part 2. Scrcpy Ratings and User Reviews. Scrcpy has a 4.85 rating from 16 reviews, with most 5-star ratings. Users praise its smooth performance, though some note hardware, connection, or app limitations. Part 3. FAQs about Scrcpy. Q1. Can Scrcpy work wirelessly? Yes, with ADB over Wi-Fi. Q2. USB or Wi-Fi? Which is better? USB is more stable and faster. Q3. Can I record with Scrcpy? Yes. Supports recording. Q4. What devices does Scrcpy support? Android 5.0 Plus and Windows, macOS, Linux. Q5. Why is my Scrcpy screen black? DRM apps may show a black screen. Q6. Do I need an app on my phone? No. Scrcpy uses AdB. Q7. How do I use Scrcpy? Enable developer options. Connect via USB. Run Scrcpy. For wireless, use AdB TPIP 5555 and AdB Connect device IP. Part 4. Scrcpy, Pros and Cons. Part 5. What could be better than Scrcpy? Screen mirror mirrors Android or iOS to PC or Mac with low latency streaming, full keyboard or mouse control, and an intuitive interface. It supports streaming, recording, screenshots, and customizable display settings. How to use the best Scrcpy replacement. Take Android phone or tablet as an example. Start by downloading and installing Screen Mirror on your computer. After installation, connect your Android device via USB. Select your phone when prompted and choose the Transfer Files option. On your phone, go to Settings about Phone Software Information, then tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Return to Settings and turn on USB debugging while your device remains connected. Allow the app to access your device to display its content. Then click Turn On to install the Screen Mirror APK. Once connected, you can easily mirror and control your Android DAT from your Windows or macOS computer. Why power users prefer Screen Mirror over Scrcpy?